السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أصحابي الحلوين عاملين إيه؟ ذاكرتوا اللي فات؟ I think yes. إن شاء الله تكونوا ذاكرتوه ونروح نكمل النهاردة في دروسنا الجديدة في Connect 3 Unit 1 Lesson 3 and 4. جاهزين مستعدين؟ فين اللايك وفين الشير وفين سبسكرايب؟ اللي ما اشتركش وأول مرة يجي القناة يشترك معانا عشان يشوف كل الدروس الجديدة، وإن شاء الله تفهموا كل الحاجات وتبقوا مبسوطين. يلا بينا. Let's start.
Lesson 3. Learn sounds and learn to write. What does it mean? We will learn kinds of sounds and we learn how to write and what are the steps that we have to be careful. Let's start with the main vocabulary, but we have to learn first phonics. Phonics. Do you remember phonics? Here we will speak today about long sound. Let's check what are long sound. Here, E. E and A, we call it E and E. So the two letters E and A give me the sound E, and double E give me the same sound E. Now we will start with the sound E with double E. Let's check how we can read it in the word. Feel, feel, be, sleep, sleep, meet, green, green. And now we will move to the next sound, EA. How we can say that? Leaf, leaf, clean, clean, eat, eat, meet, meet, team, team. Here we can feel and hear this sound, the same sound, but with different spelling letters. So be attention for these long sounds, and when you have it in the words, try to read it correct. That's why we have to learn sounds. Okay, and now we will move to the next part of language. Check here. There is a tip. What we have to learn in this step? That we use un. We use un in the beginning of words. Why? On some words to mean not. So the two letters, if I add these to some words in the beginning, it will give me the opposite meaning. Check here example. Unhappy. Unhappy. Give me the same meaning of not happy. So, but it's with one word, but give me the negative meaning. Unhealthy, which means not healthy. So if you know that here, we just add un to the adjective. So to give me the opposite meaning. And here we have some words and opposite. Check here, words and opposites. Let's check here. Healthy, the opposite, unhealthy. Happy, unhappy. Kind, unkind. All these words, including just, we add un. And we have another words with the opposite, big, small, tall, short. And now we will move to the part of punctuation. Let's check what we have to learn here in punctuation. Actually, this part is very important. This is regarding writing part. What we have to be clear about when I want to write anything in English. Let's check number one. When you want to write English, check here. One, we start the first word of the sentence with a capital letter. Important point. If you would like to start writing anything in English, the first sentence, first letter should be capital. I started to write any word in the sentence, the first letter should be capital. Can you see here? This is number one. It starts with we. First letter is capital. Number two, we. First letter is capital. Number three, first letter is capital. In anything, including writing, you will find first letter capital. Okay. Number two, we use capital letters for names of persons. Yes. If I have any person name in the sentence, I have to write first letter in this name capital. For example, I will write Ahmed. Ahmed, first letter A, capital, and other letters normal, lowercase, or small. But if I have any name, first letter of the name should be capital. Number three, we put a full stop, this full stop, or a question mark, this question mark, at the end of the sentence. Okay, so if I have normal sentence that start with noun or pronoun, it should be end with full stop. And if I wanted to write a question that start with WH question or yes, no questions that start with a helping verb or modal verb, it should be end with question mark. And I have many examples here. Here I have normal sentence. I meet my friend Ahmed every morning. This is normal sentence. Start with pronoun. Pronoun is I. I usually in writing the I as a pronoun. It should be right capital for two reasons. Number one, because this is the first letter in the sentence. It should be capital. And number two, as I as a pronoun لأن I دي pronoun لازم تكون capital حتى لو كانت في أي part تاني في السنتس. لو كانت في نص السنتس، لو كانت في آخر السنتس or at the end in the end of the sentence. حتى لو نهاية السنتس. لازم تكون capital. pronoun الضمير I طول الوقت capital letter in anywhere in the sentence. And I have here also person name Ahmed. This first letter of the person name is capital and the sentence end with full stop. This full stop. Okay, the second option, question. This is yes, no question. Do you like fish? Here, when I wanted to start, also the first letter should be capital, and this is a question should be end with question mark. Never forget to write all of these steps when you would like to write English, in any writing in English, to keep your writing correct. That is the important part in this lesson. Like that, we can say we finished lesson 3. Let's go quickly for lesson 4. Lesson 4 is very easy lesson. What we have to learn here, we will learn some parts for math and project. Let's check in this main vocabulary what we should learn here. We will learn about measurements. يعني ايه measurements؟ المقاسات. How to measure، ازاي ممكن نقيس. What are the units؟ units الوحدات that help me to measure اللي بتساعدني ان انا اقيس. What here? Let's check. Measure. Measure is a verb. يقيس. Measure. Measurements. مقاسات. This is the noun of the word. Measurements. المقاسات. Millimeter. Millimeter. Here, I started to speak about units. Units to help me to measure. The first unit is millimeter. Millimeter. المليمتر اللي بلاقيه على المسطرة this. This is millimeter. This is millimeter. This is millimeter. When I complete 5, it will give me 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. This is ال 1 centimeter اللي بيكون فيه 10 millimeter. So the short writing for millimeter is double M, and the short writing for centimeter is cm. Okay, those are the units for measurement. What about extra vocabulary? We have here some extra vocabulary helping me to make a project for this unit. Leg, leg, hand, hand, fingers, fingers, thumb, thumb. Pay attention. B here is silent. Why? Because the letter M لما بيجي بعديه B بتكون silent. We said the sound till letter M. نقول الساوند بتاع كل letters لغاية letter M. لكن ال B بتكون silent. Thumb. Let's check what are the project here. This is my hand. We speak about this hand. This is my hand. My finger is 5.4 centimeters. So he's speaking about his finger. And my thumb is 4.2 centimeters. Okay, so this finger, which we call it thumb, is 4.2 centimeters. So in this part, we can understand how we can make a measurement through these units. You can use your ruler. You can use your ruler to make many measurement. You can measure, ممكن نقيس our book, ممكن نقيس our notebook, ممكن نقيس our pencil, our pen, anything around you, you can try to measure. ممكن تحاول تقيسه as much as you can على قد ما تقدر through your ruler من خلال المسطرة بتاعتك. ruler المسطرة. Okay, this is the last part in lesson 4. I would like to thank you so much for watching this video. مبسوطة جدا ان انتوا اتفرجتوا على الفيديو واتمنى ان انتوا تكونوا فهمتوا الدرس كويس. عايزة اقول لكم thank you so much وبلاش ما تنسوش تعملوا لايك للفيديو وشير وسبسكرايب واشوفكم ان شاء الله في الفيديو الجاي. Thank you so much. See you next video. Bye bye.